Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is the 64 GTO with LS2 GTO power under the hood. The top goes down, the interior's red, and you're gonna have a blast when we park this dream in your drive. So come on up, I'm gonna fire it up for you right now. Look at this black beauty, and underneath that hood scoop, LS2 power, GTO power. Look at the chrome on the front bumper there, and the grill's looking great, headlight bezels looking awesome, black paint looking sweet. Look down the side of this car. Look how nice and straight she is. She is beautiful. I love the wheel and tire combo on it too. Wheel lip moldings look good. Rocker moldings look good. All the stainless looks good. The chrome around the vent windows looks good. Door operates nice and smooth. Door jamb's all nicely painted up. Rubber's been replaced. Door panel looks great. Carpeting looks great in the front there. And of course it is a 6-speed, guys. Love the steering wheel. Love the dash. All the chrome and turning and everything on the dash is looking good. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. The upholstery on the seats is looking good. Now, if you want to check out pictures of the car with the top up, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. You'll see pictures of the car with the top up, so you can get a look at what it looks like with the top up. Of course, I don't think I'd ever put the top up. Now, the gauge faces look good. The lenses are nice and clean and clear. You look down this quarter panel, she's nice and straight. Chrome on the rear bumper's looking good. The tail panel looks great. We're gonna open up the trunk here so you can check out the underside. Look inside there. Everything's nice and clean there. Wheel well looks good. Backside of the quarter's nice and clean. The jack and the spares in there. We got great looking paint on the gutter here. The lips on the deck lid look good. When you look down the side of the car, she's straight as can be. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we own all of our inventory here. We have over 230 cars in stock, and we're bringing in about 40 to 47 cars this month. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, I'm involved in buying every one of the cars here. So what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's go for a ride in a 64 GTO with GTO LS power. 6-speed manual trans, tops goes down, red interior, black outside. I tell you what, I don't know if it gets any better than this, guys. LS power in a 64 convertible GTO. You want to talk about a blast to drive? I tell you, this thing's driving like a brand new car. What a sweet ride we've got right here. Matter of fact, it's near the 4th of July here, and this baby's gonna be in the parade for the 4th of July. We're gonna have Miss Michigan sitting back there. Now, if you're interested in buying this car, call Tom at 248-974-9513, and he will park this dream in your driveway. Now, he answers the phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So call him anytime, he will answer your call. If you want to come visit us, we'd love to have you. We're right outside of Detroit and close to the airport. Now look down here on the dash. We got our speedo working. The tach is not working at this time. We do have an aftermarket radio here. The horn's working, it's got a tilt column, it's tilting, the brakes feel good, the shifter feels great, and I tell you what, the car is amazing. Well, we better wait on this car to go by before we pull out in front. Got a couple of cars here. We've been driving around here all day. Hasn't been any traffic out today. I tell you, I love the sound of that LS power under the hood, and that 6-speed, you can really make it sing. Just sounds great. Like I said, we're real close to the airport. We'll even come down to the airport and pick you up if you'd like. Now, if you see something on the car you'd like a little different or that you'd like changed, don't hesitate to call Tom and talk to him about it. We got a whole team of mechanics at Vanguard. We can pretty much do anything to a muscle car that you may want done. So give Tom a call, let him know. Matter of fact, that's Tom calling me now. He'll have to talk to me later. Now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. Right now we're gonna put the car up on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna pop the hood, see that GTO LS power under the hood. We're gonna show you everything you need to see. All right, we're underneath this GTO now, and it is pretty under here. You can see it's got a brand new tank, trunk floor looks good, bushings look new, exhaust looks new, drop downs look good. We got a 10-bolt rear end in here with a 355 gear, and it is posi. It does have disc brakes. It does look like the parking brakes hooked up. We do have newer shocks. We got aftermarket lower control arms here and a sway bar. Flowmaster mufflers. Always check the low area in the frame here. It looks great. Back side of the rockers look nice and tight. It has had floor pans put in it. They've put 2 sections in, a left and a right. They did a real nice job putting them in. They're all welded in. They're all seam sealed in. If you just take a quick look under here, you can't even tell that it's had floor pans put in. That's what a nice job they did here. It's got a T56 6-speed trans. Of course, you know about the LS power up front. Bushings look good. Disc brakes up front here. It looks like aftermarket spindles and a sway bar. It's got aftermarket rack and pinion steering. Front frame horns are nice and straight. It's got a big aluminum radiator with a big aluminum fan shroud and an electric fan on it. Chrome on the front bumpers looking great. This is a badass GTO, guys. Let's look at wheels and tires. All right, up front here, we got some great looking 5-spoke chrome wheels. No rash on the wheels. Tires look fairly new. 225/50 17s. Paintwork looks good. Rocker molding looks great. Frame looks awesome. Bottom side of the front fender looks good. Pinch weld on the rocker looks good. These are all things you got to look at when you're buying a car. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here, we've got a great looking set of wheels back here too. Again, no rash. 275/40 18s out back here. And this is the lip you want to check out back here. Just feel, all I feel is where that inner wheelhouse goes to the quarter. Again, just be careful of these little screws right here. Back sides of them screws are sharp as heck. And check that pinch weld. Let's check the under the hood. All right, it doesn't get much cooler than this. LS GTO motor in a 64 GTO convertible. Sweet, guys. Everything's polished up. It's got AC. The brake system's all polished up. The master cylinder, the power brake cylinder, alternator's chromed up. It does have chromed up, these are polished aluminum. They look like chrome. It does have power steering. That's the reservoir for the power steering. That's the reservoir for the radiator. Top of the radiator's all polished up. Firewall's been all shaved and painted nice. Bottom side of the hood's been painted nice. Inner wheelhouses look good. I tell you what, take this car anywhere you want and win some awards, guys. There isn't gonna be any other 64 GTO convertibles with an LS power plant, especially one that came out of a GTO. Guys, call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.